Welcome back to another video. It's Canva with RFM. And for this video, I wanted to show you guys the problem of YouTube channel art or banner. Okay, so if you don't know what that is, it's this top image that you are displayed when you go onto someone's YouTube channel. Okay, mine is very basic, and I'll show you mine later. Now the problem was one of my subscribers was having a problem because of their design. Now I'll show you what the problem is. When you're on your account, you are displayed. Normally, most of them look like this. So I'll tell you guys what you are shown on which device. So if we just simply download this, then you will understand what you're shown for each device, and you will see what for a problem that will cause for certain designs. Let it download. Okay, let's go over here, upload, and select it. Okay, so on a phone you will be shown this that is right now really brightly shown. On a computer you will be shown this, and on a TV you will be shown this. Okay, so the problem is like this still looks fine, but if you have something different, so let's remove this background and let's have some like elements. So this doesn't have anything to do with it. It doesn't exactly matter. Okay, so you want this here. You also want different kinds of text. You want some writing about, I don't know, beauty, whatever. It doesn't really matter right now. So I'm going to show you what this will cause. I have this random father and son. We can have this random flower. So if you want now all of these designs in your design, so you have this design and you want all of these, the thing is you will be only shown, as before I've shown you, you'll only see on the phone, so you'll only see this tiny bit. So what do you do that you can see all of this on both devices? Okay, on all three of the devices actually. So what you do is you select all of it by just dragging your mouse. You make it way smaller. A bit bigger maybe. Just like that. Choose a background color if you want. I would normally stretch this across the whole thing, just so that it's a bit safer. Okay, so let's download this now, and then I'll show you the next problem that you get. I do have a solution to this, by the way, just stick till the end. Okay, let's wait for it to download. Download it. Okay, cancel, upload. Okay, so now we are shown this. Okay, so it's a bit still too small, so what we can do is we can just make this smaller on the corner and then just kind of put it into the right place. Okay, so still not big enough. Okay, a bit bigger we need it. Okay, so now we have a new problem. So the part that we're shown right now will be shown on a phone. On a desktop or computer will be shown this. Now that will look a bit weird. Only a bit, because it will still look okay. Now on a TV it will look like a total mess. And that is the problem. And now that's one thing that YouTube should really change, that you can upload for each single one. Okay, so what the best solution is is to really make a design that is something like this one. Because if we download this, let's download this and then I can show you what you get when you do this. It didn't download. Sometimes designs just take a while to download. So we'll just press download again. Okay, there you go. It's downloaded. Let's upload then. Okay, so then you have this, which is way better, and you will see this definitely across way more platforms. So you will see on your phone quite big beauty written. On the desktop you will see beauty, and then you'll see part of the background. And then for TV you'll see a lot of the background, but it will still be the main thing. So if we do done and then publish, and then we'll go to the channel and then I can show you. So this is how it would look like. And this doesn't look bad at all. So for example, for my Canva with RFM, this is what I have done. So on a computer, you will see more of this background. On a phone, you won't. You'll just see basically the box. I don't even think you can see the background. So if you want to make a channel banner, then I really recommend that you do it like this. Have 1, 2, whatever, 3 words. Depends on how long your channel name is. Just like this one. This one wouldn't work very well. I'm not sure about this. This might still work. This would work. So, that is really what you need to do, because you can tell. I think another thing that Canva maybe should do is maybe show you those boxes each individually. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you understood the best way to have your channel art. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, and good luck if you are gonna start a YouTube channel of your own. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to receive a newsletter every week containing free customizable templates? Then head over to my website, which you can find in the description down below. To check out other activity videos, press on the top left, and to